So students, in today's class we are going to discuss factorizing difference of two squares. So you can see here we have a formula that is your a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, now see, this is nothing but that is your sum of first two term a plus b and first term minus second term. So this is how we can write, and this formula is your a square minus b square. See here we have three types are here. The first your type 1, this is your this is the type 1, and we have here that is your type 2, and we have lastly that is your type 3. That means in this exercise you will discuss three types. Okay, so I'll explain all these three types in your exercise 6e. Okay, now see here how to solve all this. Now see, this is exercise 6e, and our first question is your a square minus 4. Okay, now before to this, see, just we have discussed a formula that is your a square minus b square is equal to what I can write a plus b into your a minus b. Okay, so this is our formula. Okay, now see, this is also in the same form. That means first of all I need to make this question in this form, that is a square minus b square, and then I can write this a plus b into a minus b form. Then see here, so that is your a square. 4 is, that is, can I write as a 2 square? Okay, because 2 square is 4. Now see here, this is in this form a square minus b square. Now you see here, okay, if this is in the form, that means I can write in this form as well, that is your a plus b, that means sum of these two terms. Okay, so what is the first term? That is your a, and the second term is your b, sorry, that is your 2. Then again first term minus second term, what is the first term? That is your a minus 2. So this is our answer to the first question, and this is your actually the comes under the type 1. Okay, you can see in your book this comes under your type 1. Now see, this is our second question, that is your 25 minus x square. Okay, again I need to convert this into your a square minus b square form. Now see, 25 means, can I write in the form of 5 square? Okay, now see, this is your 5 square and this is your x square. Okay, now very simple, a plus b into a minus b I can write in this form. Then you just write your 5 plus x into, that is your 5 minus x. Okay, so this is our answer to the second question. Now see, this is our sixth question. Okay, the idea to solve your idea remains same here as well. So you can see a square x square, that means can I write a x whole square? It is the same thing, because if it is ax whole square means this square will come over 2 and x, then again I will get a square minus x square. Now see, this 4, can I write 2 square? Yes, obviously. Then you can see here, that is your ax plus 2. Now see, don't get confused here. Now ax is our one term. Okay, but in earlier question we have a and 4 in both cases we have a one term only, but here as we have two terms, but we have to consider this two term as one term. Okay, that means ax plus 2. Okay, I am considering this ax as one term. Okay, and again this is your first term minus 2. Okay, so here I am considering ax as a one term, here also as one term. So this is our answer to the sixth question. Now you see, this is our seventh question, that is your 49c square minus 25d square. Okay, so 49c square, so 49 can I write 7 square? Now again c is also in square, so can I write within the bracket 7c square, because c square 7 square means 49. Okay, I am not changing anything here. Again this 25d square can be written as what, your 5d whole square. Okay, then you can see here, this is in the form of a square minus b square. This is first term, so you write 7c. This is the first term plus, that is your second term, plus 5d, and that is your first term minus your second term. So this is our answer to the seventh question. See, now I'm going to solve 10th number question, that is your 100b square minus 81. Okay, now see here also I need to make a square minus b square form. So 100 means, can I write 10 square? Now b is also here, so you write 10b whole square. Okay, then minus 81, can I write 9 square? Yes, obviously. Then you can see here square of both terms. 10b is here first term. Okay, so you write 10b first term plus second term, that is your 9. Okay, then your first term minus your second term, that is your 9. So this is our answer to the 10th question. Now our next question is 12th question, that is your 1 minus d square. Okay, now it's very simple, nothing to do here, you write in one step. Now see, 1 is always 1 square, because see here, you write 1 square means what? 1 into 1, it is always equal to 1. Okay, so whether you make it square or not, it doesn't matter, it is always equal to 1. That means I'll assume here it is 1 square. Okay, that means now can I write 1 plus d first term plus second term, and then first term minus second term, so you write in one step only. Okay, so this is our answer to the 12th number question. Now you see here, this is our 15th number question, that is your 144 minus a to the power 6. Okay, see here we need a square, but what we have here, a to the power 6. So I'll try to convert this one in the form of a square. Now first of all, 144 means, can I write 12 square? 12 square is 144 minus a to the power 6 is here, and one thing we know, when there is a power over power, I can multiply it. That means see here, if it is your a cube whole square, okay, which means see 3 2 is 6, which means your a to the power 6. Now see here also I have a to the power 6. That means can I write like this? Now I'll consider a cube as a one term, and over this cube I have a 2. That means I'll consider this one as b square. Now very simple, you see here, this is your a cube. Don't get confused by these three. Okay, this a cube is a one term, and over this I have a power 2. Now see, power 2 2. Now a square minus b square form is coming. Okay, now see here, first term plus second term. Okay, clear? You don't get confused. Again I am repeating, a cube is only a term. Okay, a cube is only a term, so you write as it is. Then 12 minus, that is your first term, minus second term. So this is our answer to the 15th number question. Now see, this is our 18th question, 1 by 4b square minus 49. Now see how to solve this one. This 1 by 4, actually see in the downside of b we have always 1, which means see, can I write b square by 4? Okay, then this 49 is your as it is. Okay, now I need to square this, again square this one as well. So this one b square is already, now 4 means can I write 2 square? Now I'll write what? Whole square, which means c square will come over b, that means it will gives me b square. When it comes over 2 square means that is your 4. I'm not making any changes. Okay, that means I'm not changing this whole system, because the systems is remaining same, just I'm making what you or I'm writing in the square form only. Okay, now see, 49 means that is your 7 square. Then you write here, okay, then your first term plus second term, that is your b by 2 plus 7. Again first term minus second term, that is your minus 7. So this is our answer to the 18th number question. Now the next question, that is your 19 square, which is your c square minus 0.36. Okay, now see, all of you know 0.36 means, actually if I multiply 0.6 into 0.6, which will give me what? Your 0.36, because I have see 6 into 6, that is your 36. Here one place, here one place, that means in the right side of decimal I must have 2 places, that is your 36. That means here, okay, this is your c square minus, that means now 0.36 can I write as your 0.6 whole square. 0.6 whole square means again 0.36. Now first term plus second term, that is your 0.6, and into first term minus, that is your second term, 0.6. So this is our answer to the 19th number question. Now see, this is our 22nd question, that is your x square by 9 minus y square by 4. Okay, now see here, x by 3 whole square, can I write like this? because when the power will come over x, it will be x square, and again 3 square means 9. Okay, then here you see this one also y, 2 square means 4, then you write whole square, x by 3 whole square, y by 2 whole square. Okay, now see this is in the a minus a square minus b square form. That means very simple, first term, okay, plus that is your second term, okay, into first term minus that is your second term. Okay, so this is our answer to the 22 number question. Now see, this is our 25th question, that is your 81 minus x minus 7 whole square. Now see, don't get confused here. Wherever this x minus 7 will consider as a one term. Okay, like we have a square b square like this, so we'll consider x minus 7 also as a one term. Then very simple, this 81 can I write as a 9 square. Okay, then you write this one as it is x minus 7 whole square. Then you see here first term plus second term, that is your second term is x minus 7. Okay, I am repeating again, this is the first term plus, this is from the formula because a plus b into a minus b I need to write. So first term plus second term, that is your x minus 7. Again I'll write with the, this one is within curly bracket. Okay, see first term minus second term. Okay, so why I am writing this curly bracket, because here see one minus is here, again two terms added, that means I need to multiply with this minus. Okay, so in the next step I'll multiply. Okay, then see here 9 minus 7, that is your 2, that means you can write 2 plus x or x plus 2, it is the same thing. Okay, then you write here 9 minus x, then minus into minus, that is your plus 7. Okay, then okay, but I'll write this one x plus 2. Okay, then see plus 9 plus 7, that is your how much, 9 plus 7, that is your 16, so 16 minus x. So this is our answer to the your 25th number question. Now see, this is our 26th number question, x cube minus x. Now see, this power is your odd. Okay, so odd means what? It's a 3 factors are 1 and 3 only, so you cannot write in the form of 2. Okay, so then what I'll do here is that, see here also I have x, here also x, so I'll take x common from here. Okay, then x, see x cube means 3 times of x is here. Okay, now 3 times of x, 1 is taken out, that means 2x will remain here. Okay, that means that is your x square. Then only 1x was here, it is taken out, then what will remain here? 1, because actually x means what, coefficient is 1 na? So this one you have to write here. Okay, then you can see here, this is your x. Now x square minus 1, 1 or 1 square, it is the same thing. So can I consider 1 as a 1 square? Then this will be a square minus b square, x square minus 1 square. Then write first term plus second term, then first term minus second term. Okay, so this is how we can solve. So this is our answer to the 26th number question. Now you can see here, this is 27th question. This is little tricky. You can see here 18 a square x square minus 32. Now see, 18 is not a perfect square number and 32 is also not a perfect square number. Okay, now see, but see from both the numbers, if I take 2 common, then 2 into 9, that is your 18, that means 9 is a perfect square. Now 2 into 16 gives me your 32, again 16 is also a perfect square number. That means if I take 2 common from here, then see here 2 divides 18 how many times? That is your 9 times, because 2 into 9, 18. Then you write this is your a square x square minus, okay, now 2 into 16, that is your how much? 32. Now see, we can take other number also, because 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 32. But if we take 6 common from here, then as a result we will not get a perfect square number. So what I need is your, I need a perfect square number. So that's why I took 2 common from here. Okay, okay, see here, sorry, you cannot take 6 common from here because 6 do not divide 32. So I will take, I'm taking 2 common here. Okay, then see here 2 into 2 divides 9, that is your 18. Okay, 2 into 9, that is your 18, a square x square minus 16. then you can see here 2 write as it is. Okay, then I'm writing within curly bracket this one 3ax whole square. Then see here 3 square means 9, a square x square. Okay, then this 16 can be written as your 4 square. Okay, then see here next 2 into square of one term minus square of another term. That means you will see here 3ax, this is your first term, plus second term, then first term minus your second term. So this is our answer to the your third question. Very simple. What I have to do is that I just need to make a square number here. Okay, so that's why I took 2 common from here. Okay, so this is very easy, you can see here. Now see, this is a 13 number question. 13 number question, that is your x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4. So this x to the power 4 can I write it like this, 2 to the 4, because this is a power over power. Then you can see here this is your y square and again square, that means 2 to the again 4. Now see, this is in what your, this is in a square minus b square form. That means square of first term, sorry, first term plus that is your second term. Okay, again first term minus second term. Okay, clear? Don't get confused. X square means this is the first term, so that's why I wrote here x square, because over this 2 again another 2 is here. Okay, but we have to consider x square as a one term. Okay, so x square plus y square, but you can see here x square minus y square. Okay, this is again in what your a square minus b square form. Okay, you cannot do anything with this part, so you write as it is, x square plus y square. Then this one again can I write x plus y, first term plus second term, first term minus second term. So this is our answer to the 30th number question. Now see, I'm going to solve, this is 33 number question, and this is the last question of our exercise. Now see how to solve this one. This one is little different. Okay, so first of all I'll arrange this one and I'll tell you why I'm arranging. Okay, see, x square minus 4xy plus 4y square minus z square. Okay, now see this one. See why I'm arranging this one. See, this is your 4xy here, 4xy, which means actually see here this should be the middle term. In middle term what I have here, x and y. Okay, so that's why I have considered x and y here, and I have separated this z term, because see z term is not here na? So, and it is already in square form. Okay, so using these three terms I will try to make a one term, that is your x minus y whole square. So that's why I have arranged this one. Okay, now see here why I'm doing this. This is x square, keep as it is. Now see this one, 4y square, can I write 2y square? Okay, 2y square here, 4 square. Now see, a square plus 2y square. Now here can I write 2 times of ab, because you know a minus b whole square formula. 2 times of first term, that is your x. Okay, and that is your second term, that is your 2y. Now see here, 2 to the 4xy, there is no change. That means can I write whole this term as a whatever x minus 2y whole square. Okay, so you write this z square. Then see, this whole term I can write as your x minus 2y whole square. Then this is your z square. Now see what I got here. This is your x minus 2y as a one term, x square minus z square, or you can say actually a square minus b square form. Okay, then I'm writing here, you can see. Then this one here, x minus 2y is the first term. Okay, this is your first term and plus second term. Okay, again I'm repeating, x minus 2y is the first term plus second term, that is your z. Then you can see here first term, that is your x minus 2y. Now don't get confused, I already write minus here because this term itself will contain minus. Okay, so x minus y, this is your first term, n minus second term, that is your z. So this is our answer to the 33th number question. I am repeating all this question once again. You can see here, this is your question because in earlier all the questions, okay, the questions were very easy, and you can see here all these were already in powers were easy. But you can see here in this question this little tricky. So first of all we need to arrange by ourselves and to make a in the form of a minus b whole square or in the form of a plus b whole square. So as I have seen here minus 4xy, that means it must be in the form of what your minus a minus b whole square form, and again 4xy here. Okay, xy means what? This is xy means your it must contain, that means first term must contain your x or y and the last term must contain your x or y. It can be anything. Now see I have arranged in that way: x square minus 4xy plus 4y square minus z square. Then x square minus, I wrote this 4y is 2y square. Then according to the formula it should be minus 2 times of first term and the third term. Now see 2 2 is 4xy, I am getting the same thing. Now I can consider this whole term is x minus 2y whole square. Okay, then minus z square as it is. Then this is our first term, this is our second term. Okay, so this is our first term, so this is our second term. Then first term plus second term, x minus 2y is the first term plus second term. Then next is your first term minus second term. First term is your x minus 2y and minus second term, that is your z. So this is our answer to the 33th number question. And here we have finished our exercise 6e, and here I have left few questions here. So all these questions are given to as homework and try to solve by yourself. Okay, so this is what for today's class, and thank you.